Hi, my name is Teresa and I'm in search for the best healthy food ingredients and sustainable spots in New Zealand. Today we are visiting Wellington's finest. First up is a bean-to-bar chocolate factory producing batches of strong, luscious organic chocolate. Here every bar has a story to tell, and with every bite you are thrown into pure chocolate heaven.
The difference between us and a lot of other chocolate factories is we actually make chocolate from the cocoa bean.
Okay.
And we make it here on site, right from the bean to the bar.
So how does the whole process look? I am a complete newbie, so tell me.
So it starts with us sourcing amazing quality cocoa beans from around the world. So most of the chocolate in the world comes from West Africa, and it's one type of cocoa bean. So we go to the origin, we meet the farmers, and we taste their chocolate, and if it's up to scratch, we bring it up here in the factory. The way we roast our cocoa beans is unlike the industrial chocolate makers. So industrial chocolate makers buy cheaper quality beans, and so they tend to over roast them to flatten the flavour out, and then they have to add lots of other flavours like vanilla to make it interesting again.
Right.
If we buy good beans to begin with, we don't have to add anything to it, and if we give it a light roast, it keeps in a lot of the kind of beautiful fruit characteristics. So we pour into our chocolate moulds, vibrate out on the vibrating table, and then into the fridge for 15 minutes, and then we have a chocolate bar.
Have a chocolate. So in this whole story, why is fair trade so important?
Well, a lot of the world's chocolate is unsustainable environmentally and has very questionable labour practices. So particularly around where most of the chocolate is grown in West Africa and Ivory Coast, it's very difficult to police whether there's child slave labour and all of these sorts of activities.
Right.
So we see fair trade as a stepping stone for us. We either use fair trade or direct with the farmers themselves. So we actually go over and we can meet the farmers and talk to the workers there and make sure everybody's getting a fair deal. It's very important to us that there are no weak links in the chain, from transportation and the way that it's grown and the way we treat our staff here. We've got a really good crew and the culture's really fun. Everybody has a good time to producing a quality product that's good for you. What I love about chocolate is that it's an opportunity for every aspect of our business to be, I guess, a force for good and without any weak links. And that's what really excites us.